wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best immersion blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the extremely budget-friendly Bella 14460 comes in an attractive red finish with soft-touch buttons to minimize hand fatigue. It works for making emulsions and whipping cream or eggs, but it's not strong enough to process very dense foods. It offers 2 speeds and a 2-year warranty. However, the plastic components are a bit cheap. At number 9, the wearing quik stik is a reliable choice that's designed to live a long time in a home or professional setting. It's a no-frills option with plenty of power for many tasks. A simple 2-way switch allows a one-touch operation at high or low speeds. It comes with a 7-inch fixed shaft and a high RPM, but a somewhat low torque, and it doesn't work with any attachments. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the particularly elegant dualit chrome would not look out of place in the most modern home or restaurant kitchen. A powerful 400-watt motor makes it a great way to pulverize fruits and vegetables, or make a perfectly smooth sauce. It's good for green smoothies and strong enough to crush ice. However, it is a relatively costly choice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Immersion blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, line cooks might recognize the robot Coupe 250VV because it's popular in fine dining establishments around the world. If you can afford it, this durable tool will last for years of heavy use, ripping through virtually any food without protest. It offers precise speed selection and an easily clean stainless flange, but the shaft is not detachable. Moving up our list at number 6. From a popular name in culinary tools comes the KitchenAid 3-speed. It has a helpful whisk attachment for beating liquids and a chopping jar capable of processing nuts, cheeses, and cooked meats. There's a storage bag as well to keep everything organized. It comes with a BPA-free blending jar and stays cool even during extended use. However, note that the tip can scratch delicate pans. Halfway up our list at number 5. While it may not hold up to the rigors of a restaurant kitchen, the Epica 4-in-1 is a great choice for home use. The shafts detach with the click of a button, and all the accessories are dishwasher safe, including the 2-cup chopping bowl. This one's equipped with a 3-cup storage jar with a lid and is one of the most affordable options, but its lowest setting isn't very slow. At number 4, a good choice for smoothie lovers, the Philips Promix is a powerful device with variable control and ultra-durable titanium-coated blades. It's designed for an easy one-handed operation and remains comfortable even after a few minutes of continuous use. It features a quick 1-button shaft release and an efficient 300-watt motor. Suitable attachments are sold separately. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, one of the least expensive, the Braun multiquick 5 is an effective option for occasional use, though its small button can be tiresome to hold for long periods. It's equipped with a 350-watt motor, a soft ergonomic grip, and a whisk attachment. It comes with stainless steel blades, standard and turbo modes, and a blending jar. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Immersion blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the incredibly versatile Braun multiquick 7 comes from a company that's especially loved by international chefs and includes a host of useful accessories, such as a 6-cup food processor. With this tool you can julienne, shred, slice, and mash with ease. It offers smart squeeze variable control and a flared flange to minimize splashes. It produces very smooth purees. And taking the top spot on our list, built for optimal comfort and stability, the Breville BSB510XL has a bell-shaped design with a trigger-like switch. Ribbing inside the flange minimizes excess suction and keeps food moving freely, which helps to deliver consistent results. It's equipped with a non-scratch tip, an ergonomic pistol-style grip, and an extra-long 6-foot power cord. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Immersion blenders, or simply click beneath this video.